What are exosomes? What's the difference between stem cells and exosomes? Okay, Sherry, let's say I can talk right now to you, but I want to communicate with you. I'm going to send you an email, right? And now you know what to do. Well, the email would be the exosome. Those are tiny vesicles which our stem cells send back and forth to communicate. So the more stem cells, more exosomes you have in the body, the better cellular communication and the better the body can repair and heal. Now it delivers bioactive molecules such as RNA, mRNA, protein kinase, and growth factors. This is the big play here, the growth factors. That's why they can regrow hair and repair skin. The company I'm working with, they have a gel and they have the injectable form. The injectable form is kind of expensive. I injected it in my hair because mine was like falling out, and it stopped and regrew some of them, but it takes 6-7 months for it to see. Then I tried everything. So that's why I'm a biohacker, because I'm not telling you anything I haven't tried on myself, right? Because just reading it, it's not enough. If I would explain to you how to ride a bike, right? And I give you all the information about how to sit on the bike and ride it. Until you sit on a bike, you never really fully understand it, right? And so that's why I don't preach anything I haven't tried on myself. And so I also I did the exosomes injection in my skin. You just do it subdermally. It's very easy. I've done it with some friends. You stay in the skin. I even have a video if you want to see it. And then what it does is, because it's not Botox, it's not a filler. Botox just paralyzes the muscle, and filler just replaces the fat we've lost over time. Those kind of exosomes literally rejuvenate your skin. It stimulates your collagen. On the next side, you see the picture. It regrows because of the growth factors, rebuilds your skin. So that is real anti-aging because it rejuvenates you. And so they also, like I said, the communication signaling, which is like the email to communicate. And by the way, when it comes to anti-inflammatory, these are amazing. You don't even need to clean the surface area, right? When I injected my head, you can't use any alcohol because alcohol kills them. And usually when if you inject anything, everybody's afraid because of infections and stuff. But because it's so anti-inflammatory, I didn't even have to clean my head. I just washed it regularly and we injected it. You never get a bump or itching or anything. There's absolutely no inflammation, which is amazing. And then it promotes also autophagy, believe it or not, and collagen and elastins, which is amazing. And hair growth. Yeah, right now, exosomes is the number one, the best for regrowing your hair. And here you can see on the left, if you introduce exosomes to your skin, here you can see the fiber, the collagen fiber and the elastins, right? And you can see a wrinkle, which happens over time. But when you introduce the exosomes, the collagen gets stiff again and rebuilds like you were younger. You're literally getting younger.